Your skin is already carrying everything it needs to glow, and most people throw it in the bin every single morning. Two ingredients sitting in your kitchen right now could completely transform the way your skin looks, but only if you use them right. The combination they don't want you to know. This isn't another skincare gimmick. What you're about to find out has been sitting in plain sight, and the science behind it will genuinely surprise you. Here's what's actually happening inside your skin right now. And no, your moisturizer has nothing to do with fixing it at this level. Your skin has 3 layers, and the one that controls how you look is the middle layer, the dermis. That's where collagen lives. That's where moisture lives. That's where your glow is made or destroyed. Bananas carry something called vitamin B6 and zinc, 2 nutrients your skin uses every single day to repair itself. Without them, your dermis starts cannibalizing its own collagen. You don't feel it. You just see it. In lines, in dullness, in skin that looks tired even when you're not. And honey, raw, unprocessed honey, it's not just sweet. It's one of the most powerful humectants nature ever made. A humectant is something that pulls moisture from the air and locks it directly into your skin cells. Most people only know honey as food. They have no idea it's been used as medicine for over 3,000 years, including for skin. But here's the part that changes everything. It's not the honey alone, and it's not the banana alone. It's what happens at the molecular level when you combine them that produces a result your skin genuinely cannot get from any individual ingredient. So what exactly happens when they mix? That answer is coming, and it's going to change how you see both of these things forever. What happens on your skin? Stop for a second. What I'm about to explain is the part that most skincare influencers skip entirely, because they don't actually understand it themselves. When raw honey meets ripe banana, 3 things happen at once inside the mixture that your skin responds to like it's been waiting for them its entire life. First, banana's natural sugars act as an alpha-hydroxy acid. Think of AHAs as tiny tools that dissolve the dead cell layer sitting on top of your skin, the one that makes you look dull and uneven. They clear the path. Second, honey's hydrogen peroxide, yes, honey actually produces it naturally, acts as a gentle antimicrobial. It cleans bacteria from pores and reduces the low-grade inflammation that causes redness and uneven texture. Not aggressively, gently the way your skin prefers. And third, and this is the one that makes the combination irreplaceable, honey's humectant properties work with the exposed fresh cells left behind by the banana's AHAs. The moisture doesn't just sit on your skin, it goes in, directly in. That's why people who use this combination report noticeably softer, brighter skin within 3 uses. Not weeks, 3 uses. Now, if this is already surprising you, it's going to get better. But before we go further, if this video is opening your eyes, hit like right now and subscribe. Every week, I share one thing about natural health that most people spend years never learning. Now let me show you exactly how to make this. The proportions, the technique, the things you must not get wrong. Here's where most people make the first mistake, and it completely destroys the result before they've even started. The banana has to be overripe, not yellow, not slightly spotted. We need the ones with heavy dark spots covering most of the skin. Why? Because an overripe banana has 8 times more active AHA compounds than a fresh yellow one. That's not a small difference. That's the difference between skin that glows and a face mask that does almost nothing. Peel 1/3 of the overripe banana, just 1/3, and mash it in your bowl until it's completely smooth. No lumps. Lumps mean uneven application, and uneven application means patchy results. Take the full 2 minutes to do this properly. Now add exactly 1 teaspoon of raw honey, not processed supermarket honey. Raw, unfiltered, ideally dark in color. Here's why that matters. Processed honey has been heated above 40 degrees Celsius. That heat destroys the enzymes. It kills the hydrogen peroxide activity. What's left is basically sugar water, and sugar water will not do what I'm describing. Stir them together gently, about 30 seconds. Don't whip it. Don't beat it. You want the compounds to combine, not aerate. The final texture should be thick, smooth, and spreadable. If it's too runny, the banana was too ripe and watery. Just add a touch more honey to thicken it. Apply it to clean, dry skin. That's important. Damp skin dilutes the active compounds. Use a brush if you have one, or clean fingertips. Cover your full face, avoiding the eye area. It should feel slightly cool and sticky, and that's normal. That's the honey working. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, not 5, not 10. The enzymatic action from the banana takes about 12 minutes to fully activate on the skin surface. While you wait, here's what's happening. The banana enzymes are dissolving the top layer of dead cells. The honey is simultaneously pulling moisture from the air and driving it into the fresh cells being exposed. Your skin is basically being renewed from 2 directions at once. But there's something about the rinse step almost no one gets right, and getting it wrong undoes half of what you just built. The mistakes that destroy your results, and how to avoid them. The rinse is everything, and most people blow it right here. Hot water opens your pores and strips the moisture you just spent 20 minutes building in. Use cool water only, never hot, never warm. Cool water closes the pores, seals in the honey's humectant layer, and locks in what the banana left behind. The second mistake, using it right after chemical exfoliants or retinol. Those products already thin your skin's surface layer. Adding banana AHAs on top of them is too much stripping at once. You'll get redness and sensitivity instead of a glow. Use this on nights when you haven't used any other actives. Pat dry, never rub. Rubbing creates micro-friction on fresh, recently exfoliated skin. It can undo the smoothing effect. Pat gently, leave your skin just slightly damp, and then apply a light moisturizer within 60 seconds. That's the window when your pores absorb it most efficiently. How often? 3 times a week, maximum, not every day. Your skin needs time to complete the repair cycle between applications. Daily use actually slows the regeneration process because you're continuously interrupting it at the same stage. 3 times a week gives you the full cycle. And there's one more thing. Something that determines whether you see results in 3 sessions or barely see them at all, and it comes down entirely to the honey you use. Here's the single thing I want you to leave with today. Your skin can glow. It has everything it needs. The honey-banana combination doesn't create something new. It unlocks what your skin cells have been ready to do all along. Remove the dead layer, restore the moisture, seal it in. That's it. In the next video, I'm showing you what happens when you add one more kitchen ingredient to this combination. Something most of you have at home right now. Something that targets the specific issue that neither the banana nor the honey can reach alone. That's coming very soon. That video is on screen right now. Go watch it immediately after this one. You'll want both pieces before you start. One thing I want to mention. The quality of your honey matters more than anything else in this entire method. If the honey has been processed or heated, you won't get the enzymatic action. You won't get the hydrogen peroxide activity. You'll get a nice-smelling face mask and not much else. If you need access to raw, natural honey you can trust, there's a WhatsApp link in the description. It's the one I use personally, and I wouldn't recommend anything I haven't tested myself. If this helped you, like it, share it, comment below, and tell me which skin concern you want me to tackle next. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one of these. I post every week and every video is built around things that actually work. Take care of your skin, take care of yourself, and share this video with one specific person who needs to see it.